Good afternoon, 6th class. How do you do? I hope all of you are doing well. I miss you so much. Okay, so today's session is about speaking. But before start speaking, we have to step back a little bit to listen one and listen two to see what we did. And listen one, it's about air traveling vocabulary. Air traveling vocabulary, such as suitcase, hand luggage, bag tag, ticket, check-in. I told you that check-in to register in an hotel where we are going to travel. Airline, window seat, to sit next to a window, and boarding pass. Then we move it also to this song. We sing it together. Then we move to lesson 2. We saw the form to talking about the future. If you want to talk about future, you use I'll buy the ticket. I'll, which means in the future. I'll buy the ticket, or I will. I will is the full form of I'll. I'll is the short form of I will. I'll buy the tickets. Okay. Then today we will move here to speaking. But before start speaking, who are these? These are happy camper. Yes, the happy camper. This is Jason. Who is she? Madison. Sue, yes. And this one, Betty. And the last one is Adam. And these two will figure out them in this session. And this is Zach. Yes, I forget Zach. So before starting, where are they? Where are they? Look at these two here. They might give you some clues about where are they. They are in the look here. The airport. The airport. They are in the airport. So let's start with reading this question. How are the happy campers going to New York City? How are the happy campers going to New York City? How are, which mean what means of transportation they will use? Are they will using car, bicycle, or sheep, or motorcycle, or an airplane to travel to New York? So they are going to use, yes, airplane. So air traveling. Let's watch this video here about their traveling or flight.
Jason, Patty, Adam and Sue, the happy campers, coming to you.
Look! Flight 30 to New York City. That's our flight. Here's gate 2.
I'll take the boarding passes, Madison.
We're your flight attendants. Fasten your seatbelts, please.
Here are the emergency exits. And please don't run in the aisle.
Will you give me your seat, Patty?
No, I won't. Hey, I'll ask if we can see the pilot.
Zach, over here, Zach. Zach, over here.
Will the movie be good, Zach?
Hey. Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
It'll be fantastic.
Who will sing for us today?
We will.
All right. Happy campers. Are you ready?
Jason, Patty, Adam coming to you.
Yes, very good. After listening to this video, let's read it. Okay, let's start with this one here. Look, flight 30 to New York City. What does mean flight? It is a travel number 30. Travel number 30. When we traveling using an airplane, we call it flight. When we travel to New York using an airplane, we call it a flight. Flight number 30. So they are going to in number 30 flight. Look, flight 30 to New York City. That's our flight. That's our number. That's our travel. Our number of traveling. Flight, which means traveling on the airline. Here is gate 2. Gate, which means a door. Here is gate number 2. The gate number 2. The door where they are going. I'll take the boarding passes, Madison. Where your flight? Where are your flight attendants? Fasten your seatbelt, please. Where are your flight attendants? Attendants, which mean the people who are help you in the airplane. The people who can serve you, who can give you all what you want in the airplane. Okay, the servant in the airplane. Okay, we call them flight attendants. Okay, fasten your seat belts, please. Seat belt. Let's look at this picture here. Seat belt. The belt that you use it to do not move from your chair. The seat belt is the seat belt of car. The car seat belt is passed from here, from your shoulder to the waist. But I think the seat belt of a flight of an airplane is go from here. Seat belt. It's go from here. Seat belt. Okay. Will you give me your seat, Patty? It's a question. Will you give me your seat, Patty? She answers, no, I won't. No, I won't. No, I won't, which means she doesn't accept. She does not accept, okay? No, I won't. I will not. Hey, I'll ask if we can see the pilot. Hey, I'll ask if we can see the pilot. Sue asks. Okay. Will the movie be good, Zach? It's a woman here asking him. Will the movie be good, Zach? Yes, it will. Zach is the director, by the way. Madison answer, no, it won't. Which means it will not. No, it won't. It will be fantastic. Amazing. Something more than good. It will be fantastic. Who will sing for us today? We will, the happy camper said we will. Yes, good. Here in this lesson we identified more traveling vocabulary. We identified more vocabulary, travel vocabulary, air travel vocabulary, such as, I will mark them. For example, flight. It's a new vocabulary for us. Flight. Get, yes. And flight attendant. We said that flight attendant, the people who help us in the airplane, they can serve us in the airplane. Emergency excite. Emergency excite, yes. And seat belt. Where is seat belt? You will give me your seat. Okay. Seat belt is here. Yes, that's good. These are the all vocabulary. Yes, easel. Sorry, here I don't read this one. Excuse me. Here are the emergency excite. Emergency. Emergency, if there is a problem in the airplane or something, the emergency excite is here. Wave it, this man. The emergency excite. Yes, here are the emergency excite. If there is an alarm ringing, an alarmed, the emergency excite is from here. And please don't run in the easel. Easel, yes, eel. We don't pronounce S as Z. Eel. Don't run in the easel, okay? Easel is the stair of the airplane, or the place from where the people go, okay? The run in the easel. Eel. Okay, that's it. These are the new vocabulary that we learned here. So after you finish in here, you have please to listen to dictation and write it. Okay, here you have to write dictation.
Unit 8, Lesson 3, Activity 3. Dictation. Listen and write. Then say.
1. The flight attendant is in the aisle. 2. I'll put on my seatbelt. 3. This is the emergency exit. 4. Our flight is at gate 2.
Yes, very good. I will repeat all of them. The flight attendant is in the aisle. Yes, the flight attendant is in the aisle. Yes, aisle. Flight attendant is in the aisle. I told you that aisle is the place between seats, or from the place from where the people are walking between seats. Here, this one, aisle. Okay. Number 2, I'll put on my seatbelt. Number 2 here. I'll put on my seatbelt. Number 3, this is the emergency exit. And number 4, our flight is at gate number 2. At gate 2. So when you finish all these things, you have to move to language lodge here. Read the clues. Complete the puzzle. Down. Your seat on the airplane has this for safety. Your seat on this airplane has this on safety. So when you sit on the airplane or on a car, you make a seat belt. Okay, number 1. Number 5, down. Yes, this is where you get on the airplane in the airport. I will not explain this one. This is where you get on the airplane in the airport. This is number 2. This is the excite we use to get out of the airplane fast. This person takes care of you on your flight. This is a trip you by airplane. This is where you walk when you are on an airplane. Very easy. Put these vocabulary here in the puzzle. So that's it. This is our session. It's very easy. It's about new vocabulary of the air traveling vocabulary. So goodbye, my dear students. I hope you have a nice day.